Pouncing made a race through the dapple shadows. Light was pouring down upon the stepping stones. Felt like morning coming for his throne. I don't know why, but it looked like a tiger striped sky. Well, half the world was pulling on its colors. As nights turned the day to the hours. Glow was coming down, coming down. I don't know why, but it felt like a tiger striped sky. Well, tell me why I'm underneath the tiger striped sky. Oh, tell me why I'm underneath the tiger striped sky. Tired of seeing adventures on a cafe wall. Think I'll take a turn from the known road. Think I'll write a tale of my own. I'm going southbound to where the ocean's flirting with the coast. Well, tell me why I'm underneath the tiger striped sky. Oh, tell me why I'm underneath the tiger striped sky. So I've been giving up my stripes, be painting with new colors, beginning with dark white. Oh,
Alright guys, if you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe here for more. If you didn't know, we do have a website, ballroom.com. So this is actually an example of a custom wedding choreography that we created for 2 of our clients here. So if you want us to create a special dance for your song, go ahead and check out our packages. We have 2 programs in the description box below. This choreography is also now available for purchase, already curated, just as you see here, and you can learn it step by step. You can check that out as well. And I'll see you guys very soon in the next one. Bye.